Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Home Education. Today I am going to give you the summary of The Portrait of a Lady from Hornbill book, class 11 CBSE board. In this lesson the writer is Khushwant Singh and he has written this story in autobiographical form. He says that in his childhood he was living with his grandmother mostly. Early in the morning, his grandmother was making his slate ready. She was making his bag ready, and he was going to school with his grandmother. He was learning and reading in the school, and his grandmother was doing prayer in a temple which was situated nearby the school. And when he was released from the school after attending all the class, now he was coming to his home from the school. While coming from the school to home, his grandmother was feeding the stale breads to the stray dogs, and this was her daily habit, daily routine. The writer says that his grandmother was old, she was weak due to old age, she was a little bent. Her hair was silvery and she was wearing white sari. She had taken a rosary in her hand and all the time she was speaking some mantras. He meant to say that she was a religious lady. And when the author got admitted in the city school and now he was going to the city school by vehicle or by bus. And now he was in the school, he was learning the principle of Archimedes and the law of gravity. He was also learning English. His grandmother was not happy because she thought that in his city school he was being taught singing and music. She didn't like singing and music. She was thinking that in his city school the teacher should taught him Vedas and Purans because these subjects were not taught in the school, so she was sad and disappointed. Soon the writer took admission in the university, and when he took the admission in the university, now he was living in a separate room. He is young now, so his grandmother is now alone, and his correspondence with his grandmother has been stopped. Now his grandmother is sitting in front of a spinning wheel and she has a rosary in her hand. She is counting the beads and she is speaking the mantras and she is also feeding the sparrows in the yard. For the further education, the writer Khushwant Singh has to go to the foreign country. And when he was going to the foreign country, his grandmother has also gone to station to see him off. The writer had no hope that when he will return from the foreign country after completing his education, he had no hope that he will see his grandmother alive. But when he returned from the foreign country, his grandmother was alive and he was happy to see her and his grandmother was also happy to see him. She had arranged a small program. She had collected the women of the neighborhood. She was beating a old drum and she was singing the song to welcome her grandson. But soon she fell ill. She had a fever. The writer Khushwant Singh called a doctor to check his grandmother. The doctor checked her and he declared that she had no any big problem. She has only fever. And but his grandmother says that her days of going to the paradise is coming. She will die soon. And she is laying on her bed. She is chanting the mantras. She is counting the beads. And soon she died. The writer is very sad and disappointed on her death. After her death, The writer noticed that after her death, the writer noticed that many sparrows had come to the yard, but those sparrows are not chirping and making any sound. And it seemed that those sparrows are showing their grief on the death of his grandmother. Anyway, the writer's mother had given uh, some some scrumpled or damaged breads to those sparrows, but those sparrows didn't eat those scrumpled or damaged bread because it seemed that they were showing the grief for the writer's grandmother. And when the writer's grandmother's dead body was taken for cremating, those sparrows were also flying to that direction. So this is wonderful story of the portrait of a lady. How do you like this story? Comment me and give your feedback. Share this video to your friends who are in the similar class 11 CBSE board and subscribe my channel. Jai Hind. Okay boys and girls.